Hello. Say hi. They can't see shit.
Explosives!
What's that, fucker? That was creepy. I turned on my light and you're just right there.
You want to know something more creepy?
Well, there's a creepy for you. Firework video and to get scared the hell out of.
I hope I don't die. Don't aim at me, I swear to God.
You can aim it at me if you like. It'll be good for the video.
Oh, car.
Are you sure that's going to be safe to set off right next to this?
Yeah, I would put it in the middle.
Yeah, we should go further out.
Go somewhere where if it burns, it doesn't burn. Oh, God.
Oh, this is sketchy as fuck.
Just don't aim it at your face.
Oh my God. Oh, shit.
We're going on strike, apparently.
More healthcare. We want better healthcare.
That was pretty good for.
That was fucking cool.
And now it's just small flame.
That was fucking dope. Hey, record off my phone, Eddie. Eddie!
Just give me the other phone. I'll give him.
You're gonna have to fuck with it and figure out how to turn on the camera light.
I'm good at fucking with
wait.
things.
Holy Jesus.
Where are the explosives?
Look at this. Look how it's got its own fucking light.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that shit.
The new
That's
phones
awesome.
have like a really cool system.
Look, that's better than mine with the light on. Do you have a channel and everything?
Hold on 1 sec. I fucked something up.
Oh. Is that a used one?
Yes, that's used.
What time is it? Is it midnight?
It is 10:43.
At midnight.
Cops rarely have the music blaring as they pull up on someone.
I mean, really. When's your mom getting home?
Right 11. So soon. Eddie, while he's doing his, do you want to set off the...
Oh, Grim's going to be so terrified.
Is it recording?
Poor Grim.
Alright, grab it.
Sorry for... Hey, Jesus, your phone's heavy.
Yeah. So, little interview for mine. So, we
Jesus.
decided this would be smart to grab 2 of these fucking things.
Can you put them over here?
Eddie, get out of the way.
Oh, sorry.
Grab 2 of these and launch them from this. Now, I did one. It worked fine, but now we're going to be chasing people.
You know, with the light off my phone, your video is like amazing.
Like 4K resolution video.
It basically is, because I'm lighting up the area using the light from mine.
Later.
And then his is receiving it. Like, even the fire looks good. We probably look like weird.
How are you gonna do 2 exactly? One there and oh. How are you gonna do this exactly?
Hand me another one.
Is this our last one?
No, we got 2 more.
Oh, 2 more. Well, so you had 5?
No, I had 4.
Oh, well then. You did 1, so yeah, we have 1 left.
Okay, change of plans.
We only have 1 left. We only have 1 left after that one, so. That's a cop. So there. No. That's a taxi.
Oh, God.
We should throw it.
Hold up. Oh, fuck! Oh, shit, I'm holding it.
Throw it. Yeah, get it
Bring
out.
it, motherfuckers!
Does that hurt?
It looks like a flare.
Oh, it's just sketchy as fuck.
Chase them! We're on all 4 Grims. Grim's running faster than he ever has.
Oh, bitches!
This is the purge. Oh, Jesus.
The thing is, I'm the cameraman, so I'm putting myself
Hand me the
close to
other
the firework.
Oh, there's one right there.
Yeah, he's trying.
This shit is fucking dope. Like,
I want to pick one up and throw it.
Fuck that, do what I'm doing.
In the middle, is it like weird?
It's sketchy, but it's fun.
Just don't aim it at your face.
No, like, you have to hold it right here. Hold it right here at the base.
Just for the
and
people at
just
home.
point out.
What if I just have one?
No,
in one
like,
piece?
that's even more sketchy because the fucking sparks go back onto your arm.
Oh, really?
Yeah. That's why I said out.
Yeah, just hold it by the base.
This one, ooh. Ooh.
Yeah,
What if we duct tape them together?
Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna hold one in each hand. You're gonna light them. Alright, come here. So I'm gonna turn.
I really don't like this. Like at all.
That might be a cup.
No, I think that's a Jeep.
Oh yeah, it's a Jeep.
Ow.
Alright, so this
Cat.
time I'm turning myself into a human fucking fire thing.
ballness.
It's gonna
sparkle.
be great. Just know it's gonna be great.
Just know that it's
Hello.
going. Hello.
What is this person's interview?
We're being stupid.
No, they
Alright, here we
They
go.
didn't let me interview them. I am very sad.
Is that Ford truck again?
You don't know how
What?
awkward it is filming with two phones at the same time.
This is.
You only need one.
Yeah, just light them at the same
Whoa.
time. I am having one of those aimed at me. You look like one of those people that directs planes. You get directly under the firework for YouTube purposes.
Come at me, fire boy. It's not smart. There's like one more pop. Crap. Was that the last one?
No, we should still have one more somewhere.
No,
No.
because we did 4.
Yeah.
Okay, we did.
So that was great. Alright, go ahead and cut that shit. Cut that shit out!
No.
Well, it's done already, so. I'm being an idiot one more time.
Alright, here we go.